Hello and welcome to How I Do Life. This video will show you how simple it is to make homemade fire starters. Okay, so the things you're going to need are a double boiler, a muffin tin, a pouring cup, 12 paper cupcake wrappers, 16 ounces of paraffin wax, and wood shavings. So here I have my makeshift double boiler. It's just a smaller pot within a larger pot. And you want to use all 4 of the blocks that come in the paraffin wax. These are pine wood shavings and these are walnut wood shavings. My husband is a carpenter, so we have a lot of wood shavings. It doesn't really matter what kind you use. They all burn the same. So I use the jumbo cupcake papers. That little booger got stuck. And they don't quite fit in this muffin tin, but once you start putting all the wood shavings in there and start pushing them down, they kind of stick sometimes. When you do start pouring the wax, you want to be extremely careful. Since it was just taken off of boiling water, it's going to be extremely hot. Making the fire starters with these ingredients is so simple, and they are all compostable. So after you burn them in your fireplace, you can take all of the ash from the wood, and including the ash from the fire starters, which wouldn't be much, but it is safe to put it in your compost bin. Unlike the store-bought fire starters, which do have chemicals in them. So it's very simple and very natural as long as you are using wood shavings from untreated wood. All right, and there you have it. DIY fire starters. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Have a great day.